Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by verifying prerequisites and launching settings, so you actually change the sleep wallpaper now. Make sure you're on Windows 11 and have admin or user access to personalization. Once confirmed, press Windows+I to open settings immediately. Then go to personalization. This is where lock screen and background images live. You're doing this first, so later steps apply to the correct screens. Once in personalization, select Lock Screen to prepare the image selection options and related permissions before continuing to the Now you pick and configure the actual image that will appear after sleep. In Lock Screen, choose Picture or Slideshow depending on whether you want a single image or rotating photos. Picture gives stability, Slideshow is dynamic. Click Browse to locate your chosen file or folder, then set any slideshow cadence and exclude folders you don't want. Make sure to enable the option to show the lock screen background on the sign-in screen if you want a consistent look. These choices control how Windows displays images after sleep. Finish by applying and verifying the change so there are no surprises. Click Apply or simply exit settings and lock your PC to preview the new sleep/lock screen. Alternatively, let the machine sleep and wake it to confirm. If the image doesn't appear, make sure Focus Assist or dynamic lock options aren't overriding visuals. Check group policy or registry restrictions if on a managed device, and uninstall conflicting third-party lock screen utilities. Once resolved, reapply your chosen image. That should restore the
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.